Ever wondered how AI systems make decisions when they're not just following strict rules? What happens when an AI agent splits a task into subtasks, asks another AI for help, or even changes its plan mid-action? These are the wild, unpredictable behaviors of agentic AI systems, and they're everywhere now. But here's the problem: traditional tools can't keep up. Imagine a team of AI agents working together, like a group of coworkers handling a complex project. They use tools, remember past interactions, and adapt on the fly. But because they're powered by large language models, their decisions are probabilistic. One day, they might solve a problem perfectly. The next, they could take a completely different path. This uncertainty is a big deal. It's why 8% of companies don't even have proper tools to monitor these systems, and 60% say current analytics fall short. That's where AgentOps comes in. Think of it as a new kind of operations framework, specifically for agentic AI. It's not just about fixing bugs, it's about taming the chaos. AgentOps breaks down into 6 steps, like a detective solving a mystery. 1. Observe behavior. Watch how agents make decisions, use tools, and interact. It's like tracking a team's workflow in real time. 2. Collect metrics. Turn raw data into insights. How often do agents use certain tools? How long does a task take? 3. Detect issues. Spot problems early, whether it's a stuck task, a tool failure, or an agent getting stuck in a loop. 4. Root cause analysis. Figure out why something went wrong. Is it a faulty tool? A misconfigured prompt? 5. Optimized recommendations. Get smart suggestions to fix issues, like tweaking a model's settings or reorganizing agent roles. 6. Runtime automation. Let the system fix problems itself, adapting on the fly without human intervention. But here's the kicker: AgentOps isn't about eliminating uncertainty. It's about managing it. These systems are too complex to control, like traditional software. Instead, they need to learn, adapt, and improve over time. For developers, testers, SREs, and business leaders, this means new tools and workflows. Imagine a world where AI systems don't just run. They evolve, guided by feedback loops and smart automation. The future of AI isn't just about smarter models, it's about smarter systems. AgentOps is a step toward making agentic AI safe, reliable, and truly useful. And as these systems become more autonomous, the need for frameworks like this will only grow. So what do you think? If AI agents are like a team of coworkers, how would you manage their workflow? Let's keep exploring the wild, wonderful world of AI together. Stay curious. Ever wondered why your smart home assistant sometimes mishears you? Or why an AI-powered customer service bot might give a confusing answer? It's not just about code. It's about how these systems think, adapt, and handle the messy real world. Today, we're diving into the hidden challenges of intelligent agents and how researchers are helping them become smarter, more reliable, and less flaky. Let's start with the basics. Agents, those AI systems that make decisions, automate tasks, or interact with users, rely on a delicate balance. They need to respond to changing conditions, learn from feedback, and stay within ethical and operational boundaries. But when things go wrong, it's not always a simple bug. It's a complex web of issues that can trip up even the most advanced systems. So what goes wrong? Think of it like a car's dashboard. If the engine light comes on, it's a symptom, but what's the real problem? Researchers identify 3 main categories of failures. First, metric-based issues, when numbers like error rates or response times go off the rails. Maybe a tool starts returning random data, or a system's behavior suddenly shifts. Then there's security and compliance. Think of it as the AI version of a security breach. Unauthorized access, data leaks, or unethical decisions can slip through if not monitored. And finally, behavioral drift, when an agent's goals or actions slowly veer off track, like a GPS that starts routing you through traffic jams instead of highways. But how do you fix these problems? The key is root cause analysis, like a detective tracing a mystery. For example, an AI might fail because its instructions were unclear, like asking it to make a cake without specifying the recipe. Or maybe it's using the wrong tools, like trying to fix a car with a screwdriver instead of a wrench. Sometimes the issue is deeper. Tasks are broken into steps that don't fit together, or the system gets overwhelmed by too many moving parts. Even external factors, like biased data or unexpected user inputs, can throw things off. Once the problem is identified, the next step is optimization. This isn't just about slapping a quick fix, it's about making smart, targeted changes. For prompts, that might mean clarifying instructions or grounding responses in context. For workflows, it could involve reordering steps or letting the system handle tasks in parallel. And for resilience, it's about building safety nets, fallback plans, real-time error recovery, and guardrails to keep the system from going off the rails. But here's the really cool part: automation. Imagine a system that doesn't just react to problems, but anticipates them. Tools like AgentOps act like a personal trainer for AI, monitoring performance, spotting issues, and tweaking settings on the fly. For instance, if an AI assistant starts failing at a specific task, the system might automatically adjust its prompts, swap in a better tool, or even reset a faulty component, without needing a developer to step in. It's like having a manager who notices your mistakes, gives you feedback, and helps you improve. The takeaway: agentic AI isn't just a technical shift, it's a paradigm shift. These systems are evolving beyond rigid code into dynamic, self-correcting networks. And as they grow more autonomous, the tools we build to manage them must keep pace. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or just a curious observer, the future of AI is being shaped by how we listen to its behavior, learn from its mistakes, and guide its growth. So what's your take? Are we ready for AI systems that don't just follow rules, but adapt, learn, and evolve? The answer might be in the frameworks we build today. Stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.